Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the hemp oil drops 144 plus 000 mg, 100 pure natural ingredients, CO2 extracted, helps cope with anxiety and pain, promotes relaxation, vegan vegetarian friendly. This is truly one of the better things that have helped me get to sleep. Please be aware that Nutritemp is more concerned with a false representation of their product than actually providing a superior product. Everyone needs to try different ones to get the one that serves you the best. To be able to sleep peacefully through the night has also been an absolute game changer. Surprised to find that included in oil is natural peppermint, omega-3, 6,9, and vitamin C. The difference is that the local hemp oil works great, and this hemp oil didn't work at all. It had no flavor. It helps you sleep and takes away 90 of the pain. Love this product. It has helped me so much with pain and sleeping. 100 recommend. The taste is fairly neutral. It does remind me of pine nuts flavor a little, which is totally fine to me. Taking this 2x a day as the normal dose really helps me out manage the pain. The flavor is okay, tastes like a pine nut although there are no nuts in this product. The taste is a little oily, but that's to be expected, and it's not bad. If you are seeking a more natural and wholesome way to assist in overall wellness, this is the product for you. It definitely helps sleep deeper and more restful, as well as having a pain-relieving effect on soreness from weight training. This lasted me about 12 weeks with a recommended dose of 23 of a dropper. This oil has a nutty taste compared to other hemp oils that have more of an earthy taste. Product came in a timely fashion, doesn't do a whole lot for pain for me, makes me sleepy. They are not the same. Hemp oil comes from hemp seed and does not contain THC, therefore the product cannot be full spectrum. Go and get the real thing and pay the money to have peace of mind. This full spectrum, good tasting hemp oil is able to significantly improve pain and somewhat improve sleep without the expense and side effects of CBD. So far it's working as well, or better on pain than brands at 3 times the price. He has had multiple injections and on several inflammatory medications, and nothing has helped like this oil. While the taste is different from other hemp oils, it tastes more like a light toasted sesame oil than a plant. Really works with little flavor, and they offer you a free bottle. Would definitely recommend to anyone who needs stress pain relief. This hemp oil tastes pretty good, and seems to help me fall asleep a little faster than normal. Asked a legitimate question with regards to how it is made, and haven't heard back. It's extremely watered down, and you can tell immediately after putting it under your tongue. It takes 30 minutes or so, and that amount of pain reduction is not consistent. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.